July monthly predictions. 2021. Leo. General overview. People who belong to the Leo sign should find the month promising for their career. Love may blossom for some, while love affairs, too, may succeed in a few cases. The married may also enjoy cordial relationships. You may also be able to maintain friendly and pleasant family bonds through give and take with family members. Your financial condition, too, may work somewhat to your advantage now. Still, money flow may not be much, hence, you may be required to curtail your expenses for increasing your savings for the future. Those in the business field may get some good trading opportunities. They may also succeed in their business dealings. Career. Those in government service cannot expect much progress in their jobs, and this can disappoint them a lot. The employed, in general, may also find that even their hard work is not giving them results commensurate with their efforts. Support and cooperation from others, too, may not be forthcoming at the workplace now. You may also not find it easy to finish the pending jobs on hand. Favorable developments like promotion and increment, too, may get delayed now. Divine technique to improve your career. Lakshmi Puja. Love and relationship. There are chances for differences of opinion with your partner in the first half of the month. But you may spend some pleasant moments with them, opening your heart out and sharing your innermost thoughts and feelings. You may also go out with them, get them what they want, and make them happy and satisfied. This can make your family life happy. Divine technique for marital harmony. Mars Puja. Finance. People can expect profits from speculative trades like share market, stock trading, etc. This may improve your monetary position and provide you with financial stability. There may not also be any major losses for you during this period, and this can be a matter of consolation for you. Your savings may help you take care of your expenses, while you may also add to your family comforts. Divine technique to improve your finances. Lakshmi Puja. Health. You may be able to increase your immunity thanks to your healthy dietary habits, which can help you maintain good physical fitness. You may not encounter any major health concerns at this time, and even in case of illnesses, those should get cured quickly. Still, please be careful about your intake. You may also do physical exercises and meditation daily to improve and maintain your health. Divine technique to improve your health. Sun Puja. Business. Business prospects may not be very rosy in the earlier part of the month. Family problems may also hold you back from focusing fully on your trade. But better prospects are likely in the latter part of the month. Your business acumen and intelligent operations may help you turn around your business and run your ventures quite successfully. There are also possibilities for you to take some crucial decisions at the end of the month towards expanding your business and taking it to a higher level. Professionals. The Leo professionals may work skillfully and complete their tasks successfully. But due to a heavy workload, you may not be able to devote enough time to your family. Though your work efficiency may lead you to success in your profession, you need to pay attention to your family welfare too, and maintain a work-life balance. Divine technique for profitable business and profession. Guru Puja. Students. Students may encounter some setbacks in their educational pursuits, but they can expect gradual progress subsequently. Studying with full concentration and focus should give you definite success now. There are chances for students pursuing higher education. And in the final year, to get employment as soon as they complete their course. Divine technique to improve your education. Kedu Puja. Auspicious dates 1, 4, 7, 15, and 16. Inauspicious dates 2, 3, 9, 10, 17, 18, 28, 29, and 30.